Hi Pepo traders, this is my room, my trading room, the candlestick movements, and I have some pictures of my daughters playing golf, my golf balls, and the water. I took a lot of water, 2 cups of coffee and water. This is a recommendation on Andrew. I have a view. My trading looks the nice view. Is the golf camp in Golf Country Club in Trujillo. This is my laptop. It's a Dell laptop, and I have a Turner ball that permit me to connect to the screens. I have all the day Pepo traders community. Right now is store. Usually at this time is playing. How was his move? Very interesting. I like so much Pepo traders. My journey for day trade for a living. Excellent book, excellent community. And I have another books, the Andrew books. Right now I am trying to read the Brian Pesci, How to Swing Trade. It's a nice book. Okay, let's see my workstation set up. Okay, I have here my CPU. It's like i7 Intel. I have my main here in the Mac right now. Was a good day. In a Disney CDO and MRN. In the upper side I have finger swing. I would like finger swing because it has good charts. I like it. It's time on sale and has the possibility of have TV news, and I have my stock place, many charts, 6 here, and I have another montage here in the upper. Usually in the left side have Disney, the stock that I'm playing. In the right side I have SPY. I have my stream deck that usually use to create, have many configurations to buy, cover, or sell, cover, share size. I have this other screen to put my risk when I need to put the stop loss and put where I take profits, help me a lot. Another important is that I have this huge mouse pad